HOBY New York East Staff Training Video 1, HOBY 101. This video will provide an overview of the HOBY program and our HOBY New York East seminar, specifically including key seminar information for the HOBY New York East 2018 seminar. HOBY 101. What is HOBY? For over 50 years, HOBY has been known as the country's top youth leadership development organization. Founded in 1958 by Wyatt Earp actor Hugh O'Brian, HOBY's mission is to provide lifelong leadership development opportunities that empower individuals to achieve their highest potential. HOBY programs are based on the social change model of leadership development. The social change model is intended to facilitate positive change through the empowerment of others and supports the development of leadership qualities in all participants. Leadership is viewed as a process, not a position, and the values of equity, social justice, self-knowledge, personal empowerment, collaboration, citizenship, and service are explicitly promoted. The HOBY New York East Affiliate Seminar has been held annually since it was founded in 1986 and is now in its 32nd year. HOBY New York East provides students in Eastern New York State a unique 3-day learning experience that challenges them to step outside their comfort zones and become empowered leaders in their communities. The HOBY vision is to motivate and empower individuals to make a positive difference within our global society through understanding and action based on effective and compassionate leadership. The HOBY mission is to inspire and develop our global community of youth and volunteers to a life dedicated to leadership, service, and innovation. HOBY's core values include volunteerism, integrity, excellence, diversity, and community partnership. The HOBY New York East 2018 Seminar. Key info. HOBY New York East 2018 will be held from Friday, June 1st through Sunday, June 3rd. Staff are to report Thursday, May 31st by 6:00 p.m. This year's seminar theme is It Starts With You. The seminar will again be held on the SUNY Oneonta campus. Use the address at 108 Ravine Parkway for GPS directions. HOBY New York East 2018 Core Operations Staff. Leadership Seminar Co-Chairs, or LSCs, are Aaron Dorzinski and Sarah Hovick. The buck stops here. Aaron and Sarah have led the HOBY New York East Planning Committee's efforts over the past year and oversee all seminar activities and operations. Director of Operations and Facilities is Chris Urban. Throughout seminar, Chris is effectively running HOBY NYE's office. Much of the required reporting for HOBY International, communications to and from parents and schools, and seminar coordination and logistics are handled in ops. Chris handles food and facilities, including special dietary needs, housing issues, and any late arrivals or early departures. Chris also handles questions or problems relating to medication or other health issues, including illness. Co-directors of program are Ashley McNally and Amanda Walshaman. Ashley and Amanda have led the planning of the weekend's program, including the schedule, speakers and panelists, specific activities, locations, and more, and will be working throughout the weekend to ensure seminar runs smoothly. Co-directors of staff are Kara Sherwood and TJ McNally. Kara can handle all questions or problems relating to your volunteer role at seminar, risk management, problems with your ambassadors, problems with other volunteers, and just about any other question or issue you may have as a member of our volunteer staff. If you have a question or problem and don't know who to ask, talk to Kara. If all else fails, talk to Kara. The chain of questions. Most questions and minor problems that arise during seminar can be addressed by the experienced volunteers all around you and do not have to rise to the level of core operations staff. Our staff and groups are selected and organized in such a way as to have support nearby throughout the weekend for all volunteers. Typically, one facilitator, over 21 staff, and one junior staff, under 18 staff, are assigned a group of 10 to 12 student ambassadors. 3 groups make a color section, with a section leader, over 21 staff, generally more experienced, overseeing them. Please follow the chain of questions whenever possible. A junior staff member should approach his or her facilitator first with any problem or concern. If a facilitator cannot answer the question, he or she should ask the section leader, and so on. If the junior staff member has a problem with his or her facilitator, the junior staff member could approach his or her section leader, or, if there is a serious issue, talk to Kara directly. It is possible to get your thoughts and concerns, positive and negative, directly to our core operations staff and effectively bypass the chain. Throughout seminar, volunteers will have access to our red light, yellow light, green light form online that allows for real-time feedback to be shared from volunteers directly to our operations center. A link to our red light, yellow light, green light form will be shared with you to use throughout seminar weekend. Please consider sharing anything you might think is particularly positive, particularly negative, or just a heads up that might be helpful either right away or for future seminars. Do you still have questions that weren't answered in this video? Do you have concerns that you'd like addressed? Contact Kara, HOBY New York East Director of Staff, at nyestaff@hobyny.org.